Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I hope you are all doing very well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you all here today. In today's video, I'm going to share a very special and very delicious recipe with you. Homemade chicken patties. These patties are soft, creamy, and full of flavour. Believe me, once you try this recipe at home, you will never want to buy chicken patties from the market again. They are much healthier, fresher, and far more tasty. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends. And most importantly, press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming recipes. Now let's begin with the recipe. First of all, we take 3 chicken breasts. Make sure the chicken is clean and fresh. Cut it into medium-sized pieces so it becomes easy to marinate and cook evenly. For the marination, add yogurt, salt, and red chili flakes. You can adjust the quantity of spices according to your taste. Mix everything really well so that the chicken is properly coated with the marinade. Now cover the bowl and let the chicken rest for about 1 hour. This step is very important because it makes the chicken soft, juicy, and flavourful. After 1 hour, our chicken is perfectly marinated. Now we move on to the cooking process. Take a pan and place it on medium heat. Add butter, a little ghee, and fresh cream. Let everything melt slowly. This combination gives a very rich and creamy taste to the patties. Now add the marinated chicken to the pan and cook it gently. Keep masala or any mild seasoning you like. Remember, we want soft and balanced flavours, not very creamy mixture. Once done, turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down slightly. Now prepare the dough. Take small portions of the dough and flatten them gently. Place the cooked chicken filling in the centre and carefully seal it. Shape it nicely into patties. Once all the patties are ready, place them on a baking tray. Preheat your oven and bake the patties at 40 to 45 minutes until they turn golden and perfectly cooked. After baking, take them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. And here you go. Your homemade chicken patties are ready to serve. They are crispy on the outside, soft and creamy on the inside, and absolutely delicious. Serve them with ketchup, mayonnaise, or any dip of your choice. These patties are perfect for evening snacks, kids' lunchboxes, or even special gatherings. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next recipe. Allah Hafiz.